Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see dividend policy in financial management. So under that, Gordon's model. So already in Gordon's model, we have seen a problem regarding growth firm. So today we are going to see for a normal firm. So we are going to calculate market price if the nature of the firm is normal. Due Limited gives you the following information: earning per share rupees 45, cost of capital 18 percentage, return on investment 18 percentage. Ascertain the market value per share using Gordon's model if the payout is 30 percentage, 60 percentage, or 90 percentage. So if the payout ratio is 30 percentage means, so we know automatically the remaining portion of the 100% is 70. So retention ratio is 70 percentage. And for 60% payout ratio, the retention ratio will be 40 percentage. And 90% payout ratio, the remaining 10% will be retention ratio. So with this payout ratios, so we are going to find out the market price per share. So how we are determining this firm is a normal firm? See, the cost of capital and the rate of return both are same. So 18 percentage, 18 percentage. When the cost of capital is equal to rate of return, it will be termed as normal firm. So here the firm is a normal. You will not derive different market value per share. So whatever the declaration of payout ratio will have the same market value per share. So let I prove it by calculating the market price for different payout ratios with the help of Gordon model. So earnings rupees 45 R, that is 18 percentage, or 0.18. K is 18 percentage or 0.18. So we know the formula for calculating market price under Gordon model, that is D divided by K minus G. So D is nothing but dividend per share, K is cost of capital, and G is growth rate. So first we find out the market price for the payout ratio 30 percentage. If the payout ratio is 30 percentage, the remaining 70% will be termed as retention ratio. Right. Dividend per share equal to EPS into payout ratio. So this is the way we find out the dividend per share on EPS. If you multiply with payout ratio, you will get the dividend per share. So EPS is 45 rupees and payout ratio is 30%. So therefore the dividend per share will be 13 rupees 50 paise. Alright. So now we find out the dividend per share. So you know the market value of share that is formula D divided by K minus G. So before that we have to find out growth rate. So then only we can able to find out the market value per share. So you know what is the growth rate? How will you you know how to find out the growth rate? So growth rate is nothing but B into R. So how do you find out the growth rate? Retention ratio into rate of return, that is B into R. So 70% is the retention ratio and rate of return is 18 percentage. So therefore you will get the growth rate as 12.6 percentage or 0.126. Right, we know now a dividend per share and the growth rate. So which is the missing figure in the problem. Right, market price per share you know the formula D divided by K minus G. So dividend per share is 13 rupees 50 paise. Cost of divided by cost of capital 0.18 minus 0.126. So you simplify it. So 13 rupees 50 paise divided by, so if you reduce 0.126 on 1.18, we'll get 5.40. So therefore the market price will be 250. So now we find the market price for the payout ratio 30%. Right. So remaining two payout ratio, we have to find out the market prices. Then only we can prove it that if the normal, if it is a normal firm, there will be no changes in the market prices. Whatever the declaration of the payout ratio, you will derive the same market price per share. So payout ratio for 60%. So if the payout ratio is 60%, the retention ratio will be 40%. Then find out the dividend per share, that is 45 rupees into, that is EPS, 45 rupees into 60%. Dividend per share will be 45 into 60%. Your dividend per share will be 27 rupees. Right. Growth rate B into R, that is 40% is the retention ratio into 18% your rate of return. So 40% into 18%, the growth rate will be 7.2% or 0.072. So if you divide 7.2 divided by 100, you will get 0.072. So market price per share formula, D divided by K minus G. So dividend 27 rupees divided by 0.18 minus 0.072. So if you simplify it, 27 divided by 0.108. So the market price will be 250. You divide it, will get 250. See, for the 30% also you will get market price 250, and for the 60% also you are getting the same value of market price, that is 250. Let me find out for the one more payout ratio, that is for 90% payout ratio, so that we will confirm it for all the any type of payout ratio. We will see get the same value of market price. So if the payout ratio is 90%, the remaining 10% will be termed as retention ratio. So dividend per share, that is earning per share into payout ratio, 45 rupees into 90%. So 45 is the earning per share, that is EPS you will call it. So 45 into 90%, the dividend per share will be rupees 40 rupees 50 paise. Then growth rate B into R, that is retention ratio is 10% and rate of return is 18%. So if you multiply it, you will get 1.8% or 0.018. So please carefully you divide it. Sometimes we will put 0.18. It is not right. So if you have a calculator, you divide it 1.8 divided by 100, then you put it. Otherwise you make a mistake. So 1.8% means 0.018. So find out the market price. So formula is D divided by K minus G. So dividend 40 rupees 50 paise. So divided by 0.18 minus 0.018. So 40 rupees 50 paise divided by, if you minus it, we'll get 0.162. So divide it, we'll get the market price as 250. So here also we are deriving the same market price, rupees 250. So for all the payout ratio, whatever the declaration of the payout ratio, so we are deriving the same market prices. For 30%, For 60 percentage and for 90 percentage, we are deriving the same market prices. So if it is a market, if the firm is a normal firm, so you can declare any payout ratios. It will not affect your market prices. Will derive the same market prices. So I already told you how you will decide it is a normal firm when the when the rate of return is equal to cost of capital. So I highlighted separately payout ratio for 30 percentage rupees 250, payout ratio for 60 percentage rupees 250, and payout ratio for 90% rupees 250. So thank you for watching the video. Keep on watching my videos. Once again, thank you.